Let's go everyone, so we are live. So let's get right to it for the today market and preparation for the hunt for the next Monday. As usual, 8 p.m. Paris time, live streaming. Always, I promise you to hunt for the next Monday. So how are you doing everyone? Goku is here, so he's always first and he's always ready to hunt. I like what's he doing, like so yeah, we have a lot of question right now regarding Goku, and yes, Jesus always here for you guys. Let me drink my water. It was a crazy day. Yes, Bitcoin is overcome the resistance right now around the 40,000. That's why we see the price is bumping for Bitcoin, and we have this green candle. And we have Facebook visited like the dip right now. You see we have buying pressure, as we said in the last video, and as we said, the 220 should be the bottom. We already did the video for tomorrow, will be up. We did the undervalued growth stock, and already did the list for tomorrow. I will have a video uploaded tomorrow. So let's go here on YouTube and see your stocks. We have BBIG fighting for the support around the $3.07, and if we go in the 4-hour chart or the 1 hour 4-hour chart, yeah, look with me for BBIG. This is crazy fight happening regarding the $3.07. We have a buying pressure happening for the market open. We have a fight, then the price went up. We didn't have a closing candle below the $3.07, and the price right now close above the $3.07, around the $3.10. AMC fighting as well. We have kind of like buying pressure regarding 14. So any price regarding the 14, we have a wick and a buying pressure happening for AMC. And as I said, the 18 is the resistance right now. And if we still struggling around this technical area between the 15 and 14, we're gonna see the 12. As I said, for AMC, pretty close. We're gonna see the price. XELA still consolidate and have a big trouble to overcome the resistance around the 0.90. It's psychological level. A lot of people waiting for the $1, and that's why a lot of people selling before the $1. This is kind of psychological level. That's why we see price still hold up above this technical area, the 0.74. This should be holding if we want to confirm that we still have a buying pressure. We have we have Ford that went down like crazy today, almost 12%. Yeah. Stevie said, can you review UPST? Of course, we're gonna do it. Yes. So let's see what's going on. First, let's go here and see what's going on with the Reddit, because always things going on with Reddit here. Okay, so if we go for the short squeeze stock, BBIG is still in the first. However, we have BFRI is coming up almost 254 places up, and the AVCT. This is kind of heavily talked about right now. In the last 24 hours, we have almost 1,300 mentions. So let's get check BFRI and AVCT if we have potential for doing a trade for the next week. So let me just go back to the trading view, and I already put it here on my list. Yes, Bitcoin crossing, XELA crossing. This is before. So if we go here and AVCT, so this is heavily talked about. What I think right now is been talked about in Reddit a lot, because a lot of people got caught in this tip. A lot of people bought here around the $2. So a lot of people holding bags right now. That's why usually when you see on the Ape Wisdom, you see a lot of stock have a lot of been talked about a lot. Is not mean it's been will be squeezed. However, is mean a lot of people holding bags and talking about this stock, and that's why we saw BF like this one and the fourth right now, and jumping places. So be extra careful for this one. As I said, we have a resistance around the $1.21. The $1.54 would be the ignition to see the $2. However, right now I would be a bit of worried if we don't overcome the $1.21. BFRI is looking better, okay? Is looking better because we're holding above the $4 and already have a trigger here around the $4.67 would be a nice if we overcome it. However, we see a selling pressure. This is normal. You see near my resistance because we getting near the 200 exponential average, and this is trigger a lot of profit taken. So if we hold the $4 by today or the next week, we're gonna see the $5.20. This is my next target for BFRI, and yeah, if we hold the $4, this will be perfect trade for this one. GameStop is getting up ahead. AMC. We have any went crazy up today. And where is any? Yes, we went almost 25%. Guess what? We went 25% because they actually have a good news regarding the new thing they bought for mining. And the product they bought is crazy. It's like the hash rate almost 400 terahash per second. This one, and if we go, it's called what's called? Wait a second. It's called how you actually go back to see. Okay, so for the news here, if we go to news and go here, we can see the name for the thing they bought. Almost 60,000 they bought from new miner NM440 BTC miner. So this is crazy. So this is they said the next generation of Bitcoin miner operation at 440 terahash per second for total capacity of 26. This is really good. That's why they increasing their capacity for mining. That's why we see a lot of people predicting a probability for the stock, and that's why the price jumped like crazy from today, from the $2 I think 35 right now around, no way, wait a second, we went until the $3. Yeah, we went to $3, so almost 30%. This is crazy buying pressure. So this is the ultimate winner for our list here. You see, let me just put it on the best gainer. Yeah, any is the best gainer for today. Then we have HUT doing good, 11% up. And HUT is doing really great because we holding above the $6.37. This is a nice resistance we break, and if we hold it this time, because we broke it like beginning February, if we hold this time, we're gonna see the price jump at least for this profit taken for HUT, confirming that we see a buying pressure happening until the $7. And let me just guess, yeah, around the $7.50. This will be another target before we see another selling pressure, before we're gonna see the $10 and 11. However, this is the second like plausible take in profit for me for HUT. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, this HUT is looking good. So let me just put it on the top for possible trade for HUT. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, people. So first stock that we put it on the list is HUT. Bring your stocks. So UPST. So let me just check UPST has been recommended and requested from our hunters here. So for UPST is simple. We got rejected around the exponential average. Perfect rejection. And it's kind of have the same like trend as HUT, but we're second. Not that great because we broke the support around the 109. So right now we'll be extra careful for UPST. Right now we have kind of visited the bottom around the 82 and bought back pretty fast. So this should be the bottom around the 81 if we don't want to drop even more. Yeah, if we don't want to drop around the 45, or not the 45 but the 63. Yeah, the next plausible price level for support would be above the 60. However, right now the best price if you want to buy either around the 60, above the 60, 61, or when we close again above the 109. Right now I will not buy right now. This is a bit scary area here, indecision. So here bullish. If we don't hold the 81, bearish, and we're gonna go to the 60, here will be perfect bottom for UPST. Let me just check what's going on. Let's go, La Petra Oxford. Let's go. Yeah, AMC we already cover it. USDT we cover it. April, how are you doing? Hola. Yes, XELA and DWAC or Trump stock. Okay. Hi, sir. Hi, Luis. It was nice trade for Sundial. Hopefully you saw the video. I don't know if you did the trade from the video that we did yesterday for Sundial. It was a crazy move for today. Yes, for Sundial, that was perfect hunting that we did yesterday. I don't know if you saw the video that we did yesterday. Let me just check the video that we did yesterday. Yes, we did the video yesterday regarding Sundial. Yeah, yesterday we did the video here 22 hours before. And what we said for Sundial to the price to go, it was around this triangle. Yes, like I saw the price actually squeezed and holding above the 0.44. So what we will predict for the price, we have kind of predicted the price to have this triangle and then jump from this triangle. This was a perfect trade actually for yesterday. Yeah, around this level, around the 0.49, and we predicted the price to go actually like if we went below, we're gonna see actually the price go down from this level. However, the price actually go up from this level and reverse up. So this was a really nice trade to take around the Sundial. So let me just guess again what we have on our list here. Yes. Yeah, GME. Then, yeah, wait a second. Yeah. So for Sundial, we went pretty good up. Right now we hold in 10%, so I expect a bit of resistance happening around this area, around the 0.55 before the 0.61. This will be a bit of testing area and a bit of taking profit for a lot of people. So right now we see a pump. So what I predict before the market close, we might see a bit of rejection around the 0.54. Okay, before the market close, there's a bit of rejection will happen around the 0.54. And even if we got rejected around 0.54, this is normal. A lot of people will take a profit before they close in the market around this area. So let me check DWAC for April. DWAC and see what's going on. DWAC, what's going on with this one? Yeah, it's still bumping. You see, we're still doing higher lows for DWAC from this bottom around the 45, then this bottom, the 60, then this bottom, the 69. So this is looking good for DWAC. We just have one resistance left. So right now I don't buy. I don't sell. If like I will sell around the 91. However, if we close this time around the 91, this will be another taking profit around the 118. Simple as that. Because if we got rejected here, we're gonna see a visit again for the 96 again. And if we break it, this will be a turning point and bearish momentum again. And consolidating around the 60 again. This will be the next bottom if we get rejected around the 91. So that's why I said don't buy right now until we have a confirmation to close above this level. And yeah. Yes, Sundial, perfect hunt. So as I said, the Sundial will test this level before we close. So I will anticipate a bit of rejection around the 0.55 at the top by today. We might see a visit for this level and get rejected. And the next support, it should hold, not going around the 0.49. This will be a weakness. However, around the 0.51, this should be the support in order to see the 0.61. This is the ultimate goal before the massive squeeze if we want to see even the 0.71. So we have some target level. If we hold the 0.51, we have two targets, 0.61 and the 0.71, two targets. And all those targets, we're going to see a bit of selling pressure. Normal. In this kind of market is normal to have this kind of selling pressure. What we have else? Okay. Yes, XELA will already cover it. April. We have Ali Ismail, one of our hunter with the yellow badge, GBR. So, okay, so let's see what's going on with this one on Friday. Let's see what's going on. So for this one is new concept energy. So it's energy mineral stock. And look what's going on. You see that the volume was there. There's no volume here. The moment that we broke from the $3.93, you see what's happened? The volume dropped. Then right now we have another support, $2.30, and the volume picked up again. So this is kind of the price potentially right now, yeah, 400k. And here I will say below the 100. So this is kind of good indication that we have first a test here for our exponential average, another test, two tests, and right now just see this. We have our exponential average and we have three tests. So the fourth test, this time, if we have a close here, just watch this. The volume will turn to what? Here we have four. Wait a second. Here we have the volume right now around the 400k. Okay, will be above the 1 million. If we close above just our exponential average, this is will show us the volume will be up around the 1 million. First sign, second sign, closing candle above this exponential average, 1 hour candle preferably, the price will go around the $3.93. Let me just calculate it. If we have this signal, yeah, 30% up for this one. Potential. We might see even the $6, but this is a bit risky play. If you want to take squeeze or milk the short, as they call it in trading, you can milk the short. If we overcome the $3.93, hold above it, you can milk the chart until the 6. So yeah, this is a big target. However, before there's a potential of selling pressure happening. And as I said, the $2.30 is the bottom to confirm the bump for GBR. What else we have? What else was? No, Elite, you're not late. You're kind of 30-minute late. Juicy trade, boom, there you are, you go. Yes. No, CEI, we didn't cover it yet. Yes, April said it right. Smash the like button. You know, there's something when you click on the like button, it's turned blue. This is kind of magical, I think. The color blue is my favorite color. Okay, wait a second. No, we didn't have covered naked or CNN yet. We're gonna cover CNN and CEI, of course. PRAGUE, of course, we're gonna cover it as well. Stevie said check DIS or Disney has earning next week. Thank you for the heads up. This is pretty good because usually the stock go up before even the earning. So on the anticipation before the earning. So the earning is not directly moving the market. However, the anticipation, you see the psychology of anticipation is that's what moved the market regarding the earning. So we have mini stock. Let me just put it so I will never forget. So we have first this one. Second, we have PROG. And we have CEI. Yeah. Let's talk this time and check this one here again. What's going on? Yeah, Robinhood is picking up momentum as well. We have Meta Material as well here on the 15 spot. Bitget getting lower. So yeah, we have kind of interesting. Let me just check crypto. What's here? Yeah, Cardano. We have something. Algo. No. Okay. So let me get right to it and see first. Centero Electric Group Limited. For this one is seeing a bit of sign of relief. You see right now we confirm we have a bit of support and consolidating area around this area. So it's better from those areas. You see we don't have any consolidation here. That's why the price went down. No consolidation, the price go down. Right now we have a longer consolidation. So right now we want to confirm one thing, that we not going to $1.15, which is the $1.50 right now support. To confirm the $2.12 is the turning point for Centero Electric Group Limited to see it by the next week. Holding the $1.50 and then testing the $2.12. So what I expect for the price, if there is a good news or a potential for a big squeeze, the $2.12 should be broken like this, okay? Not even testing. However, the plausible effect after this massive drop and after the reverse split 1 to 15, imagine. So what I expect test for the $2.12, we might see a rejection again. However, if we overcome the $2.12, this is the best sign for CENN for reversal. $1.50 will be the bottom, $2.12 would be the new support. This will be a good sign to get in again to take the profit around the $3.55. Other than that, you just wait for the $1.10 would be better position to take. However, right now we see a bit of sign of relief. As I said, the $1.50 is the new support right now to hold. So if you took the trade right now and calculate how much, let me see. Is a bit 7%. Yeah, if you take your the trade right now, because if we drop around the $1.48, this is an exit strategy. So we're calculated right now 7.35% loss on the gain, 32% gain. So this is how you calculate if the trade is good or not. Cut your emotion. See the drawback first, because a lot of people think about the pink life, about the gain. They don't think about the negative offset that the trade they will take. They just take the growth, how much, because it's comfortable, because it's good. But it's uncomfortable to think about the loss. However, the experienced trader and profitable trader think about the loss before the gain. Because if you calculate the loss first, you can pick from 1,000 stocks. 1,000, and you pick just 10, because all the trade, the other one, have at least 20-25 margin of error or loss, because the support is really high, low. So that's what I suggest. Always calculate the loss before the gain. So this is a free lesson for you guys. It was a perfect lesson to just show you here on CENN. The next one we have PROG. So PROG is acting the same as the other stock we talked about. I think Sundial. Yeah. I don't know. So PROG kind of doing higher lows. This is good here. And here and here. So right now this is good. For PROG is doing good. Right now is doing good. It's doing good. So what I expect for PROG to have to test. First we have a double top test around adjust for the level around $1.65, because we have double top here. And the price go down. However, we go down and we bought back before the ascending line. So right now we have just confirming. We have a 1 hour candle right now. This is really nice. So what we expect for the next week, if we still holding by the next week above the $1.48, just expect the price will go first around the $1.80 before the $2. The next price target, if we have a massive buying pressure, let me calculate it from here. Yes, would be the $2.11. Yeah, would be crazy level. So the first level to take a profit is $1.80, then the $2.11. And as we calculated from now, will be 30 or 40% up around the $2.11, and around the $1.80 will be 20% up for PROG. And if we calculated how much, if we risk 6% or let's say 7%. It's the same as CENN, the same trade. 7% loss on 30 or 40% gain. So this is kind of good risk to take with this kind of probability. CEI. So for CEI, still in the massive kind of crazy downtrending channel. We talked about it. What we said. Any price below this, inside this channel, is downtrending and bearish. You see what's happening after this market, the price go up. For new trader, they will be okay. Load the boat. The price will fly, and you see it on the Twitter. Please, people, buy. People just go to ATM machine and buy here around this top. Around the 0.66, because they think the price will go to $3 and $4. However, what we said for CEI, Don't jump on the train to buy until we get confirmation. As I said, we need the confirmation above this ascending line. Okay, right now we're still inside it. So right now, if we want to confirm, right now we getting near. The next time we're gonna see the 0.66, this will be your ignition for the price to go until the 0.95 or the $1 again. Just mark this price, the 0.65. So let me just lower this again. This would be a perfect trade. Otherwise, we're gonna see the price go gravitate again around the 0.45 and maybe the 0.32 for the last bottom for CEI. Yeah, I've been asked a lot about options. But you know what? Like options kind of almost like high percentage for gambling. So that's why I don't like option too much. Because the moment that you buy options, you under the time period. So you can't sell it because you buy it on the contract until the mature date for the contract to sell. And whatever happened during those time, you have to hold it. If you want to sell it, you can sell it. However, there's uncertainty for the maturity and the intrinsic value and extrinsic value. A lot of things you can actually control. And if you don't know what you know, how to trade options in beginning, trust me, you're gonna lose a lot of money. So don't see on Twitter and Reddit, a lot of people just show you how much money they can make from options. However, the truth is bigger. It's like you see, you see that's just the tip of the iceberg. So just be careful before you get in options. Educate yourself truly, then dive right in. The best way to learn, I think, is to dive right in, like how I learned to swim. Literally, I just swam in the ocean. Okay. We have Pharma vs. Can you analyze ater? Okay, we'll see. Luis asked about NIO. What else? PROG GSAT for elite. Wow, so GSAT is still holding above the $1. So this is psychological level. I think we're gonna check this out right now. We might see a bit of potential to trade. Yes, I will put it on the list right now so I will never forget. Aster, wait a second, let me put it on the list. Aster and GST. Wait a second, did I spell it right? GSAT. And of course, Luis asked about NIO. So let's go with Luis first. Wow, so NIO doing good, almost 4% up. So after this massive dip, that was unusual. This dip that was unusual. Trust me, the price should hold the 21 above our 21.40, our support. You see what we said? We said around the 29. If we don't hold, we're gonna see what? The 21. You see, from the 29 until the 21, it was a massive dip. 27%. However, we can predict the dip 100% of the time. However, even if the price dipped below our support, you see what's happened. It can't be below like like 1 day. The price jumped and rest above this support again. This is tell us the 2140 is pretty good support right now. So what do I expect, Luis, for NIO? We're gonna see a filling the gap by the next week. If we hold the 2140, we're gonna see a filling the gap for sure around the 27.26 and the 29.25. Here you can take a profit around this area. There is a filling the gap around this area. This would be a big test. And again, because we have our ascending line here, yeah, we tested before, yeah, we tested 3 times. Let me just check here. Yeah, we tested here around the 9th of December. We get below, test here 21st of December. Boom, boom, boom. The price gotta give, went down. So right now, getting back and up, and then test the 29.25. And 29.25 would be the turning point for NIO to go higher and higher and higher, and see even the 30 if we overcome this massive bearish line that dictate the behavior of NIO. Simple as that. If we never overcome it, Luis, the 29.75 would be a perfect shorting opportunity if we never overcome it, because we're gonna see a big dip. Would be a big dip for NIO. If we don't overcome the next time the 29.75, we're gonna see the dip around the 17 and 13. So that's why I said always be careful and have a confirmation candle above to confirm we're not actually dipping some more, because the market is crazy. If you not have all the potential consequences for something will go wrong, you be cut. That's what in trading we don't want it happen to you. It happened to me many times, so I don't want it to happen to you, and kind of the history repeats itself. So what happened before will happen again and again. So we learn from our mistakes. I'm trying to show you so you never get caught up. So as I said, above the 29.75, the next time we're gonna see a bullish momentum run. So it would be safest to get in. However, right now we can do a swing trade. For GSAT, what's going on with this one? Okay. We have the price still holding the $1. However, we dipped around the 24th of January, around the 0.93. And yeah, for this one is been heavy shorted and still heavy shorted below this exponential average. Right now we see a bit of squeeze for the price in doing higher lows. So right now we want to confirm one thing, only to confirm that we're gonna see the $1.21. If we just hold this time right now, let me just put it here. Will be ignition for sell-off if we don't overcome. Yeah, the $1. Yeah, the $1. So if you want to buy, just be careful. We might see even a gap for this stock. It's pretty volatile. We have the volume 7 million. Right now is barcoding. Look how crazy it is. Look. The last hour before this hour, it was nothing. You see, there is nothing. So this is a warning sign right now. Something gotta give. Something gotta happen right now. So I will be extra careful. There's a big gap will happen. A big candle happening for the last hour. There's something will happen. For sure. There's something will happen. So right now, there's an accumulation of a price. I see it. Either the price will jump crazy down until the 0.84 or jump around the $1.21. So I'll be extra careful right now for this. There's a volatility. So for normal stock, I will tell you just buy here. Right now will be perfect because the margin of error will be just 2%, 0.97. However, for this kind of stock, let me see if there's gap. Okay, sometimes there's no gap. So yeah, there's no kind of problem of buying this one. Yeah, we have some kind of gap up and gap down. So the best thing to buy this one before the market open and close it when the market open you open the trade. You might miss the big gap up. However, we might see a gap down. So think about this. So this is a bit gambling for this one. However, as I said, the $1 holding above the $1, will be a nice trade until the $1.20 and the next $1.56. So we have two profit taking, a big gap. However, I will just take a profit around the $1.43 will be a perfect, safest to take a profit here after the $1.21. And the next dip, if we don't hold the $1, is the 0.84. For Aster, for this one, wait a second, let me just check. Yeah, for Aster is a bit dangerous. As I said, the $9.55 is kind of the price value for the stock. Right now is kind of beating down right now. It's kind of beating down. Last time we have news about Aster, it was, let me check. Yeah. So it blanched 14%. This is the big gap that happened last year on December. They said it was shorting the company stock. So yeah, Wednesday tweet, the space launch company was a bleeding cash trying to build hundreds of pony unreliable rocket for non-existent market. So Astrospace did not immediately respond to remark, but earlier this month announced plan to carry its first satellite into orbit for the National Aeronautic and Space Administration in January. Okay, so we have some kind of bad news because they said the company is phony and they don't actually build rocket, and so that's why the price went crazy down. So the fundamental is not with us. So if the news was not right and they prove that they actually were ready to launch a rocket in the satellite right now, we're gonna see the price go and jump at least for the next jump for the squeeze will be, for me, the safest one will be the $9.55. But right now I would be it's a bit of technical wise I will not trade it. However, this one will be kind of, if you want to trade it, but a bit of money because the gain will be really crazy. However, we might see another dip because it's still dipping. We have a sharp dip because it's relying on the fundamental. This one is fundamental based, not technical right now. Nice, Luis. Nice hunt for the pre-market for any. Let me just check any again. Wow. Yes, for any hit our target perfectly. The $3.32. Look how crazy it is. Yes, as we said it in the pre-market, we're gonna see a hit for the $3.32 and bounce back. So yeah, this was a perfect trade that we did today. And yeah, we're gonna see it. Let me just check it here. Yeah, it was a perfect trade, Luis. That's how we do it on Patreon. Let me just check a bit. Yes. So if the price continue up, we're gonna see we're gonna have another level to protect, another level to see if we're gonna continue up again or not. Okay. Okay, yes, this one, was a crazy, crazy trade. Yeah, we did it today here for trade on our Patreon. For wait a second, where's any? I think the second one we did any. I think, yeah. Where's? Yeah, this was here. Yeah. We talked about any here, and the price was here. Yeah. So today it was around the $2.33, the pre-market, and yeah, the pre-market was 19% around the $2.77, and yeah, it was perfect around the $3.32. Yeah, this is kind of the resistance for any before the market close for today. You see what's going on right now for, yeah, we have a rejection right now. As we speak, as we said, the price will go down because right now we have the last hour for any, and this is predictable for the price to get rejected. And by the next week, we might see the $4.47. If we still overcome the $3.32, we're gonna see the $4. Yeah, let me just, yeah, here to be above the $4.39, $4.40 would be the next level to test after the $3.32. So today we did the 36%. This is crazy bump. That was really perfect trade. Yeah, this is our best trade for today, 36%. Yeah, HUT is still bumping. What else is bumping? What else? Sundial, yes, is still bumping. NIO, yeah, okay. Let me check what's going on. How are you? I see any doing good. Yes, Sir Kelly. Yeah, even though the market is kind of undecided, you know, so usually the stock going up in this kind of market environment, we see a lot of uncertainty. That's why a lot of people selling. For any, it was exceptional because it has a pretty good news. Without there is no brainer. You know, they bought 60,000 of the new miner machine, which will turn a big profit for them to mine crypto. So this was a no-brainer for the price to go up and hold, not selling, because a lot of people see a growth for the coming months and years. Okay, we have a question for XELA. Nice weekend, Luis. Yeah. You have a lot of good news for all of them. Okay. No problem, Elite. My pleasure. Always here for my hunter. So XELA on the perfect support entry level on the 30 minutes. Gonna go nuts next week. Wait a second. Let me check XELA. Yeah, is around the support. Yeah, again, around the support and consolidating. And right now we see a big buying pressure happening again for XELA. Yeah, after this selling pressure happening. Yes, XELA, like, it's crazy what's happened to XELA. Because right now we hold the gap that we did today. Still holding it. Testing it twice, and the price is jumping right now while we speaking. So yeah, we're gonna see a big jump for XELA as well before the market close. We're gonna see a big jump for XELA as well. So this is the last power hour for XELA as well. Yes. BBIG is still holding the support, the $3.07. Let me see my stock. Oh man. Yeah, everything is bumping. So yeah, Tesla is getting near the resistance, and holding 4% up for Tesla. Nvidia as well is bumping after this massive resistance that happened around the 255. NIO as well doing good. So yeah. Yes, MAT is moving up. We have some question about MAT is moving. Everything is moving for this Friday. Yes, MAT is moving a bit. However, MAT right now is still bearish for me after we close from this box. The $1.76, if we close right now, this will be a bit bullish. So for Wish is, let me just check Wish. Okay, so Wish is kind of got rejected as we expected to happen around the $2.92 perfectly. The price went down like crazy down from the $2.92 until the $2.27. However, we still doing higher lows, 3 dips here and here and here. So this is kind of good. After even this drop, we're still holding kind of this ascending line for the price and still consolidate and going up. So right now we want to confirm one thing, that we will have a reversal and the price pick up again if we close above the $2.43. You see what's going on right now? Here, this is the price is bearish. Right now, any price below this level, this is bearish triangle. Any price close here, not good. So what we should expect, the price consolidate, again go up. Otherwise, if we don't and rejected around $2.43, this is we'll see a lower lows again. So this will be a turning point after this massive drop from the $2.92. Simple as possible for Wish. Let me just see what's going on. Yeah, no. Yes, welcome to Hunter Tribe, Vinrakjan. Yes. Yes, for any guys, look with me. For any, yes, the news was crazy news about what they bought actually. So yeah, that's what is backed for the price and hold. The bullish momentum for any, it was crazy after buying this miner, the fastest miner, efficient Bitcoin miner. So this is crazy one. This is behemoth that actually kind of the hash rate is 400 terahash per second. So this is unprecedented. Right now in the market is just 140. The top, and this one is 400, and they bought 60,000 of it. So that's why the price is crazy up right now, 39%, 49%. So my target, we have the massive target for this one for the next week would be the $4.39. Just mark this price. What? Yes, let me just calculate it. Another 30%. There is another 30% will happen. Another 30% for the next week if we close above the $3.32. What else we have here? Yeah, CEI, USDT. Let me just check my crypto. Crypto is bumping as well. Look how crazy. Look how crazy it is. It's still bumping. We have sand. Sand is getting closer. We have a target for sand, which is the $4.13. And if we overcome the $4.13, the $4.66 will be the plausible target. So if you sleep today, you might get 20%. You wake up tomorrow, you see sand around the $4.66. Simple. For mana as well, we see a bump. The price will bump around the $3.43. This is the target for an official pump, because guess what? Bitcoin just confirmed the bullish momentum above the 39,600, and this is confirmation for the price for the bullish momentum, and the price right now will go around the 43, will move everything. If we close above the 43, we're gonna see the 52, and again the bullish momentum for Bitcoin and all the altcoin will bump for good as well. Dogecoin is bumping as well, and the trigger would be the 0.1463 as well for Dogecoin. Everything's bumping before the market close right now. Let me just check the growth stock and check Square. Yes, Square is still around the 108. So Square went to the nice bottom ever, the 100. So what I expect for Square, the price will, like right now, is undervalued. Square is undervalued, guys. Right now around the 108, and anticipate the price to go at least around the 152 again. Will be the like almost 30% as well. And it's not penny stock, again, is Square, the biggest information technology services ever. So this one, Square, we're gonna see the price go around around 133 and 152. This will be another bump for Square. Right now is 7% and going higher. As I said, this is the best bottom right now for Square. If we go for Amazon already bumped. You see, if you bought Amazon, we already did 15%. For Square is already 7. Spotify is jumping 9%. A lot of stock bumping right now, and more than the others. So we have some kind of turning point for the cryptocurrency and the stock as well. No problemo. We have a lot of stocks on their bottom. Let me just go on YouTube. SOS. What's going on? Let me just check. So okay, so SOS is bumping 7%. It's kind of like right now we have a lot of bottom, like for a lot of stocks. So usually right now we'll have crazy bump for the next week, because for SOS is a bit dangerous, yes, because we see a new bottom. If you already bought SOS, I will suggest to take a profit for the next jump around the 0.93, because after the $1.41 is a massive selling pressure. So the next bump for SOS we can actually see for the next week at least 40%. So don't be surprised if we see 40% for SOS. Let me just add ABML. Let me check this one. It's bumping and it's going around the 0.96. So for ABML, watch everybody. Look how crazy. This one is kind of penny stock, and look what's gonna happen to it. It's ABML, American Battery Technology. So look how crazy it is. So the price it will squeeze here. Just mark my word. If we just close this time around this ascending line, you know what's gonna happen. Yes, we're gonna see a shoot up until even the $1.90 and the $2.50 again. So my target, if we squeeze, I will just take my profit around the $1.90. And if we calculated how much this will be almost 90% up. Just imagine 90% up if we just bumped from this ascending line for the next week. So ABBML looking juicy to me. No problem, Kevin. Yes, as I said, we already did a hunt on Patreon for a lot of stocks. For Sundial today, we actually predict the price to jump up, and for any as well to take a profit around this area. Right now, we're gonna see a test 45% for any right now around the $3.35 and bumping again. So we're gonna see a massive test for a lot of stocks. Let me just see what's going on with XELA. Yes, XELA is still not bumping. This is crazy, still holding. BBIG is still holding. So we're gonna see a big move for those stocks. We have XELA and BBIG doesn't move yet. So we have just 1 hour left for them to bump. What else we have? Wait a second. Let me just go back for this. Yes, Squares is bumping. As we said it, Squares is undervalued. Like I said, perfect buying opportunity around the 100. This is the best price. And look how crazy we dipped for Square from the 260 or 70 until the 100. So this is not even half the percent down. This is almost how much? Almost 64% for growth stock. So it's not penny stock. Just remember that. So right now we're gonna see the price of Square going, at least if we close the market around the above the 110, this will be crazy good for the next week, at least to see the 127. And again, this is kind of growth stock and is not risky play. It's not like other stocks. So what I predict for Square, another 16% for the next week. Pretty easy, yeah, for this one. Okay, we have Facebook have reviving. So for Facebook, I will buy above the 247 would be safest. So for LKCO, let me check. Yeah, 9%. So LKCO, I will be interested. Still is not clear. See this massive downtrend, and we're still below this hour exponential average. So by the next week, if we close above the 0 to 52, this will be a safe trade. Otherwise, we're gonna see the price continue to go around the 0.35. So I will be waiting right now for LKCO to have a momentum shift at least around the 0.52, because if we close around the 52, we might see a test here around the 0.68. So we can do a swing trade, and the 0.88 will be the turning point to see the $2 and the $1 again. As I said, everyone, if you want a pre-market update or meeting one-on-one with me, you check the link in the comment section below or in the live chat here for the Patreon or even Discord. And if you want to use my trading view or the community section where I post my ideas for the trade, you can get the link in the comment section below for the discount for the trading view, and you have the privilege to be in my community where I post daily, even before the market close or before the market open, and you can see a perfect like analysis for it. And I update always when the price move. So check the link in comment section below to get the TradingView community and to get the discount with the link in the comment section below as well. As I said, every Friday 8 p.m. Paris time, live streaming, where we hunt for Monday prices. As usual, we buy perfectly around the dip and sell with this insider, so we maximize our profit. That's how you survive, even if the market go down or the market go up. Either way, we make money. So this is how you be strategic in trading. So hopefully that was informative. And again, I will upload tomorrow the undervalued stock that you should buy the dip for and where you take your profit on all the jazz. So I will be uploading the stock, this video tomorrow. For Patreon, I already uploaded, so it's kind of like early access on Patreon, so already uploaded today, so they have the privilege to hunt it for today, for the undervalued stock that I already hunted for the perfect dip. One of them is Square, of course, and Amazon. So without further ado, see you in the next update, and hopefully you have a nice weekend and be ready to hunt for the next week. And as I said, we never sleep, we hunt even for crypto, so be ready for tomorrow. I will be updating about the crypto because it's bombing like crazy. So see you in the next update.